Oh my god. Ah, I'm in trouble. I have an exam in 42 hours. I have exam in 42 hours and literally this is me trying to prepare. I have a lot to study and not yet done a lot, not yet done much. Just started like done some few weeks in the lecture. So it's an MPTL exam I'm trying to take and this is me trying to prepare. So let's see what I can do in 42 hours. What I like to do is that when I'm studying, it's like to listen to poems. So there is this particular poems I like. She's a Nigerian artist. Her name is Mariam Bokar Hassan. I like her poem, so it's make me really relax. And whenever I'm feeling lonely, I listen to poems. And also for study, I normally listen to nasheed. So basically, nasheed are those kind of not songs. Actually, they are songs, but not been are kind of no beats. They don't have any beat because they are sung with only uh voice. So it's a kind of a natural voice, and it kept me really cool and more focused. Yeah, and let's see what I can do in 42. It is 1 a.m. already, and literally my eyes already start burning. So here we go, and definitely I'll go to sleep now, and let's see you tomorrow. Here we go. It's already 12 o'clock, and I came to the library. This is outside of our library, and this is me with my kurta. This is a weekend kind of where I wear. So I'll be here. I'll be studying for some hours and probably go back to my. It's already 12 o'clock here because I went 8 and do. So let's see what will happen. Oh my god, and here we go. My head looks shit like oh my god. So it's already 4:30 now. I came here at around 12 and now it's 4:30. So I studied for like 3 to 4 hours like that I studied. So and it's really cool. So I'll go and print my card, my exam hall ticket now. So see you and I'll be studying at night definitely. Oh my god, and here we go. Actually, my friends called me that I have to come for football and I have to just go. And I know that even though I stay in here and I just say I want to focus on study, I will not be able to do that. So I'll just go, play, and come. I'll be back, be done by 6, 7:30, 7 o'clock. So and then I'll study at night. Alhamdulillah, and here we go again. I went to football in the evening at 6 and came back 6:30. I was not able to make it to the big game, but because I came late, so I played today. So went to dinner and now I'm back. I have to continue because tomorrow is the exam. And I don't wanna sleep really late, so I'll be sleeping maybe at 11 probably. Hopefully, I'll be doing that. So studies continue. Oh, and here we go. It's already 12 o'clock, and tomorrow is the exam. I have to sleep early and board the bus at 7 o'clock, so I need to sleep. Okay, good. And here we goes. Good morning. I'm heading out for exam. First go and have my breakfast. After breakfast, I'll be paying for board my bus. Okay. So due to the exam, the campus is providing us our breakfast at 6:30. So I'm having my breakfast today. They were serving dosa. So it was good. I was eating dosa and chutney. So I think dosa was cool. And here we go on about the bus. Okay. Actually, this is my first traveling with the campus bus. Yeah. Good luck. Center. I'll be going. I'll be going in a second. Okay, see you. And here we go, heading back to the campus. Big credit to the driver. He really tries, and we just have to appreciate these small things. These people, he's a human, and it's really kind of important to value what he does, and seriously I really appreciate it, and thanks to him. Oh my god, quick review guys. I just came back from the exam. Well, it was great, but not really what I was expecting also, but it was really good. It's about kind of a lot of logical question was there. So basically it's an kind of a Indian national exam, not national exam, government exam, MPTL, so I'm taking. So it's part of my open elective course and I have to just do it. So on that's how the preparation goes and that's how I went for the exam. I came back. So guys, please keep subscribing to this channel and more videos will be coming. Peace.